warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. As always, today's object will be with you for an hour to bring you the wholesome news of the day. With me, Naila Maulidia, and our top story about Hamas released four female Israel soldiers in exchange for 200 Palestinian prisoners as a ceasefire halts. Soldiers were shown in a public display in Gaza before being handed over to the Red Cross. Israel responded by releasing the Palestinian prisoners, including several serving life sentences for attacks against Israelis. Palestinians in Ramallah celebrate the arrival of the released prisoners, while Israel Prime Minister Netanyahu stated that the return of displaced Palestinians to northern Gaza would not occur until another hostage, Albert Yehud, was freed. Despite negotiation, the delay in Yehud's release has created tensions. The ceasefire, which began with earlier exchange, aims to reduce violence and allow aid into Gaza. Well, the latest update from Israel and Palestinians at the end of today's edition. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.